Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Well, see, the ADA chart hasn't really moved that much in recent days and weeks, so the ADA chart is still in this diagonal pattern here to the upside that we've been tracking. I know it is frustrating. I know ADA is only moving sideways. Still, I give you your updates because a lot of people request them on a daily basis. But the structure overall is unchanged, so we can be very consistent with our analysis. And the structure we are observing here, this potential diagonal pattern, started obviously in June 2023. I'm looking here at this 5-wave move to the upside in a potential diagonal pattern. 3 waves completed, maybe wave 4 already here on the 23rd of January. And the wave 5 could be unfolding right now. The structure here, the microstructure, however, it is too sloppy to be reliable. Really messy structure, but one more high would still be preferred into the target area between 85 and 96 cents. The only question that I have at the moment, and that's precisely what we're observing on the smaller time frame in this diagonal. Did the 4th wave, did the 4th wave already form a low or not? I'm currently leaning to that idea, because we've seen in that move to the upside already some extensions that would suggest at least that that's possible. Then I added a micro support area, and we can now use this micro support area to watch for higher prices in the current structure. It is possible that the wave 4 is still unfolding. Then it would be a very, very mean WXY structure, WXY, yeah? And we could test the lower boundary line again of that trend channel, WXY. And if the 4th wave bottomed here indeed, then we're already going to move up and will not cross below the 23rd of January low again. If another low forms, then we should be targeting 43.9 cents. So it might only make another marginally lower low, or 39 cents. But even then, from there, ideally, we see a reversal. I actually don't want it to come down any lower than that. Or, yeah, the structure would suffer, I think. Now, looking at the 1-hour chart, this is still our 5-wave move up that we're tracking. I said it before, we don't need 5 waves necessarily to confirm that a wave 4 low bottomed. Normally, we're looking for 5 waves above resistance. Well, we broke above the initial resistance already. We don't have 5 waves yet. The problem is, in diagonal patterns, in larger diagonals, 5-wave patterns are not necessary. They are not needed. It is possible, specifically in a diagonal, for a chart to only form 3 waves, give us a deeper pullback, and then do 5 waves up after that or something. So there are many combinations. We are left with too many options in diagonals, which is why I often say when you're trading diagonals, make sure that you don't expect too much precision. Make sure that you don't trade maybe too aggressively, and you leave your trades a bit of space, all sorts of stuff, be prepared for the unexpected basically in diagonals. But I am tracking as if we are getting 5 waves, because maybe we are. And it allows me to add a support area here, and the market already reacted to it. So in short, basically we've got here 3 waves up from the 23rd of January low. The 3rd wave reached ideal targets, 64 cents. This could be a wave 4 pullback, which I'm labeling as a WXY structure. And as long as we're holding the micro support area between 52.9 cents and 56.9, I'm going to watch for higher, and one more high at least in this particular structure before possibly this entire move here from the 23rd of January needs to be corrected. But the next upside levels to watch are 66 and 68.8 cents. That's basically what I'm watching. There should also be structural resistance in this region from these previous swing highs from December, end of December. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.